Aloha! We're excited to let you know
about our new ʻUlu educational video series.
E Hālāwai ʻUlu.
Get to know breadfruit.
Get to know breadfruit.
To know breadfruit.
The Hawaii ʻUlu Co-op and Farm to School Hui have developed 9 short educational videos
and 11 quick recipe videos in order to help increase
public knowledge and utilization of ʻUlu.
You can find the videos on Hawaii ʻUlu Co-op's website and YouTube channel.
After watching, please fill out the Google feedback form and let us know what you think.
We're also excited to announce the social distancing friendly Revolution Student Art Contest.
Now accepting submissions from K-12 students through April 30th.
Details and an amazing slew of educational resources are available on the contest Facebook page.
We hope you're all healthy and safe out there. Stay positive.
Plant an ʻulu tree.
Eat ʻUlu. Watch these videos.
And create some inspired artwork with your whole ohana.
We look forward to hearing from you soon. Aloha!